Thanks, Oliver. Is 400 points, is that limit gotten today? I think it is.
Yeah, I believe so. And those limits change throughout the year, but obviously catching a bid in that cotton market, we've got a bit of an inverse head and shoulders forming, and the market looks strong. We got a nice breakout move, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this momentum continue. But obviously, we've got some big news ahead of us in tomorrow's WASDE report, and looking at corn and soybeans, and we just happen to be at these pretty big inflection points. $6 was the low end of the range recently for December corn. 650 was the top end of the range, which was a breakdown point from June 30th as well. And we're just right smack dab in the middle of that, 625 to 630. So a lot of the next market movement is going to hinge on tomorrow's report. And historically, this August report has thrown some curveballs, so we expect the volatility to continue. And as far as the soybeans go, the same can be said. We're right at the 50% retracement, or basically the middle of the range from those June highs to July lows. That comes in at 1440. I think tomorrow's report could give us that move one way or the other. You know, working with a lot of producers, we're a little bit more skeptical of upside momentum from these levels. So we'll be probably looking to sell some rallies to get some hedges on.
I think did I hear you say, I say WASDE, did you say WASDE? It sounds like, that sounds more sophisticated. Would you like a little rosé with your WASDE?
Yes, pinky out, WASDE.
That sounds great, right? All right. I agree with you there. That's all good stuff. And, you know, this can be an explosive report, right?
Yeah, historically, we've seen some pretty darn big movements on the back of this report. So I think we could see potential big movements here in the coming weeks on the back of tomorrow's report. Obviously, there's been a lot of talk about weather here in the United States, and rightfully so. We know that there's some big concern areas, hot and dry, specifically in parts of Iowa and probably more importantly, areas of Nebraska. That's been keeping a premium in the market, but we're going to very shortly move past talking about weather in the States and talking about weather in South America over the next several weeks and into the next several months. So this is just a revolving news cycle in these ag markets. So buckle up, because it's not ending anytime soon.
Yeah, it looks